So a lot of what we're going to do for the very first song, Little Drummer Dude, has to do with this fabric. It's a little bit stretchy, there's a little bit of weight to it, and we're going to use it to make some cool designs on stage. I think it'll look great. So basically, you're going to hold the fabric one of two ways, and this is the first way, okay? If you put it around or near your waist, one of the first moves we do is just making a figure eight with just your right hand, okay? So the fabric just goes like that, and we'll go bum ba-da, bum ba-da, bum ba-da. You'll hit it with the beat, but that's the first. After that, we build it, and we're gonna add our left hand, and it just follows. So it's still a figure eight situation, but it just goes with both hands. Then it goes over your head. And it's like in front and in back, in front and in back. And ultimately, you go fast with the music, okay? That's that situation. The next is where you're holding it on an end like this, in a rectangle, okay? So similarly, you can have one side kind of on your hip bone there, and with your right hand, you're just gonna make the big figure eight so that that fabric flows. Then we do a little build, and with that build, we're gonna lean this way, lift and flick, and then to the right, lift and flick, and then we go over our head, same idea of the figure eight. And then you'll use that same motion to go off back to your spot, and you'll kind of end by letting it just wrap around. All right, hopefully that helped. There's one tricky spot, and that is after you've gone over your head a couple times, you'll take a break, you'll let go with your right hand, and kind of let the fabric flip, because at that moment you'll need to quickly transition into this. Now, I may be doing it to where half of you do one type of move and half do the other, but I want you all to practice with this at home and make sure you're competent at doing both. That way when we really see it together, I can say, okay, now I want you just to do this, or you just to do that, and you to do both, and we make it look amazing. Okay, thanks.